Most external adjustments are made by placing the Koni knob on an adjuster tab under the hood or in the back of your vehicle. Place the slot in the bottom of the knob over the adjuster tab. Turn the knob counterclockwise to make the damper firmer and make more rebound damping force. Turn the knob clockwise to make the damper softer and make less rebound damping force. The adjuster knob will stop turning at the full soft and full firm position. Do not force the adjuster. If you plan to keep your Koni dampers adjusted to the maximum or minimum setting, it's a good idea to turn the adjuster back a small amount from the full stop, perhaps a 1/16 of a turn, just a little bit to avoid jamming the adjuster.